In this tutorial I'm going to explain to you how to write a program where you can use your mBot as a Theremin to make music. So the first thing we want to do is we go to robots and we choose mBot program. Then we're going to choose from control and we are going to choose a forever, so our program will run until we turn our mBot off. Then we are going to use a couple of if and else variables. So one if else, and we're going to nest inside this another if else, and then we're going to nest inside this one more if else, and then finally at the bottom here we'll have another if else. So you should have 4 in total. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we need to use the less than symbol, and we are also going to use our ultrasonic sensor port 3 because that's normally where your ultrasonic sensor is connected to. Okay, and we can actually put this here, but I'm going to duplicate this a couple more times because we're going to need something similar down here and something similar down here. To duplicate, you just click with 2 fingers like that and then choose duplicate, and we'll also need it down here. So we've got 4 in total. Then we're going to need to play lots of different tones. So I'm going to get play tone, here it is, okay, and I'll put play tone here, and once again I'm going to duplicate this because each time we want it to play a tone, except for down here. Here we actually want to give it some movement. That's how we make it move around, and to make it move we simply go to, we need the at speed block. We can take this one and duplicate it. Okay, I'll duplicate this one again. And that's our program, but we've got to change a few settings, so I'll show you what sort of settings you've got to change. So number 1, if it is 13, we want it to play one type of note. We'll get it to play it by an eighth, and the note is going to be C5, not C4. C5. Okay, then down here we're going to go to B4. B4 is a little bit further up. Here we go. And so this is of a distance of 25. So if you're quite close, it'll play one note. If you're a little bit further away, it'll play another note. And then let's say if you are, this one will be 35 centimeters, a bit further away again. And then let's get the note A4. Okay, and we're going to put that beat on eighth as well, and we're nearly ready. And then we've just got to put down here, if it's really close to an object, then we want to turn right so it doesn't crash into the object at speed 255 and forward at speed 100. Okay, and that completes your program. Please see my other video about how to download it into your program.